Venetian Isles is the perfect combination of well-priced residences with a top-quality clubhouse and a warm and inviting community. It is the perfect place to call home for the snowbird or year-round resident alike. What a view! Welcome home to this open floor plan, just waiting for you to make it your own. The SAVONA floor plan is an open concept overlooking the beautiful lake and your jacuzzi. This is an active adult community with amenities that are endless. Movies, tennis, swimming, aerobics, cards, bocce ball and more. You have to come visit to appreciate all that is available to you.